Hi, I'm Pat McGrew and this is Print Sample TV. Today's episode is a little bit different because I can't tell you who printed the print sample. I can't tell you who designed the print sample. I can't tell you what technology was used, but it does such a great job of spotlighting the power of subscription boxes and packaging and turning packaging into an experience that I wanted to share it with you. So one of my sons has bought from a company called Birddogs some clothing to go on vacation with. And when the box came, I stole it from him because it has their logo on the outside. And at first I didn't find that it was particularly remarkable. Okay, it says Birddogs on it. It's, you know, your basic, nicely printed box. It wasn't until we opened the box that we really got the whole story. Because now, inside, there are a series of stories. They're testimonials from customers who've bought Birddog products and are wearing those products and love those products. And so now they're spotlighted on the inside of the box. And it made me think of all the packaging that comes into our lives every day. Some of it is targeted subscription boxes. Maybe you get those. Maybe you just buy things online and they come. I think we've seen a real sea change of things moving from being delivered in flat envelopes that have no branding or logos on them to things that are a little bit more complex. And the complexity of this one, it is printed on both sides, so there is some complexity to the manufacturing process. And you know that they must have just a bucket of all of these different testimonials that they're working through as they're creating the different boxes that are sending out the door. The boxes will come in different sizes depending on what you've bought from them. This is something to consider. If you have the capability of printing digital corrugated, whether it's corrugated board, microflute like this, or bigger boards, when you start to think about creating print samples, get a little fancy. Try something like this. Print on both sides. Make opening the box a real experience. That's a great way to differentiate what you can do and what your clients can do. I'm Pat McGrew. This is Print Sample TV. We hope you'll come back for another episode.